Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video where we look at the last preparation video for GCSE paper 3 higher tier for your exam on Monday the 9th of November 2020. Okay, so this is the preparation for the last video guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. I'm currently doing walkthroughs for AQA, Edexcel and OCR for the walkthrough solutions. Okay, so yeah, if you found this video useful, please subscribe, drop the video a like, press the bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos. Okay, but let's get on with today's video guys. Right guys, first question, so it says, okay, the value of the reciprocal of 1.6, give your answer a decimal. Well, reciprocal just means 1 over, so it's 1 over 1.6, okay, which on my calculator gives me 0.625. So the answer is 0.625. Okay, so reciprocal just means 1 over, so it means 1 over that number. Okay, right guys, part B, it says Jess rounds a number x to one decimal place. The result is 9.8. Write the error interval. So what it's saying is, I want to write the upper and lower bound. Well, the lower bound is 9.75, okay, with the equal sign. So it can't be 9.74 because that will round down to 9.7. Okay, and it has to be less than 9.85. And look at the key part here, so it's less than that. It can't be equal to that because that would give us 9.9. So always less than or equal to, and then always less than. So that's my lower bound and upper bound. Right guys, question number 2. Edexcel higher paper 3, so solve the simultaneous equations. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to label that as equation 1 and equation 2. Well, these signs are the same. I've got a plus and a plus here, so I can do equation 1 minus equation 2. So 3x minus 3x is going to be 0. Y minus 4y, being careful, is 5y. Minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. So 5y is equal to minus 10, which implies that y must be equal to minus 2. Okay, so y equals minus 2. So putting that into either equation, we'll put it into equation 1 to work out what x is. 3x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. 3 adding 2 to both sides, I get 3x is equal to negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2/3. And that is my solution to the equations. So x is negative 2/3 and y is minus 2. Right guys, question number 19. You're asked to solve this quadratic inequality. Well, firstly, I've got to factorize it. Okay. So factorizing this, I get this. Oh, sorry. 2 there and a 1 there. Beginning 0. So the solutions are, if I solve this, I get minus 2.5. So a half and minus 2 are my solutions. Which means that if we look on here, it would look something like this. Okay, so that will be where it crosses on the x-axis. Now it's saying that when it's bigger than 0, so that means it has to be above the x-axis. So it's all these points here and all these points here. So x is less than minus 2, because that's everything smaller than minus 2, okay, or x is bigger than a half. So they are my two solutions to the inequality, okay. Right guys, question number 13. Okay, so you've been asked to write x squared plus 6x minus 7 in this form, so completing the square. So what I'm going to do is a half this number here, so it's half it, and then square it, okay? And then I subtract the square of this, and then minus 7, okay? I get x plus 3 all squared. Well, that's going to be minus 9. Minus 9 minus 7 is minus 16. And the reason why we do this step here, guys, the minus 3 squared, is because when I expand this initially, I get x squared plus 6x plus 9. But we want minus 7, okay, in our answer. So we want minus 7, but we got plus 9. So I've got a minus 16 to go from here to here. Okay, so that's like a way to remember it. So you always half it, square it, and then minus the square of the number there, okay, to work out your answer. Right, guys. Question number 20. The equation of the circle is in the form of y is equal to a to the power of x. Okay, and it intersects the a is the point where the curve crosses the y-axis. So y-axis is when x is equal to 0. Well, when x equals 0, a to the power of 0 is going to be 1. So the coordinates are 0, 1. Okay, remember that anything to the power of 0 is always 1. Okay, x to the power of 0 is always 1. It doesn't matter what I have. Anything to the power of 0 is always 1. Right, guys, final few questions. Okay, the last 2 questions. You got to simplify this. So factorizing this, I get, that's the difference of 2 squares. X plus 4 over x minus 4. Sorry, times x minus 4. Divided by factorizing this. Well, I'm going to get 2x plus something, and then x minus something. Well, x minus so factors of 12, okay, is 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Well, if you put 4 here and then a 3, that makes it 8x, so that's going to cancel. So my answer is x plus 4 over 2x plus 3. Okay, right, guys, part B. So you are asked to make v the subject of this equation. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this, the top part here, all over v. I'm now going to times both sides by v in t minus 30v. I'm going to bring the 30v over, so I get wv plus 30v is equal to 15t. And then I'm going to factor out the v, so I get v brackets u plus 30 is equal to 15t. Okay, sorry about the lack of space here, guys. 15t. And then for my final answer is v is equal to 15t divided by u plus 30. So that is my final answer, guys. So this one's called algebraic fractions, and this one's rearranging formulas where the subject appears twice. Okay? Right, guys, I hope that made sense. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck for Monday. I hope it all goes well. And I hope you all stay safe and stay healthy. And guys, yeah, last point is please subscribe here because I want to try and get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Okay, and please like my video and please press the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Okay, any questions, any queries, drop me an email. My email will be in the description below. Okay, so check that out. Good luck, guys. I hope it all goes well. Let me know how it goes on Monday. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye now.